Ever wondered what the difference between a soft-boiled and a hard-boiled egg is? Let's set the stage. Picture this, a soft-boiled egg, its yolk luxuriously runny, begging to be dipped into. Then, consider the hard-boiled counterpart, its center firm and rich, perfect for slicing and dicing. It's a culinary conundrum that has stirred the pot, so to speak, with preferences varying as widely as the techniques to achieve them. Today, we're going to crack open this age-old debate. First, let's get to know our contenders, starting with the soft-boiled egg. This crowd pleaser is a study in contrasts, with its firm, white and runny yolk playing off each other perfectly. Its preparation requires a precise timing, typically between 4 to 6 minutes of boiling, depending on the egg size and your personal preference for yolk consistency. The result is a semi-liquid yolk that's warm and custardy, ready to be sopped up by a slice of buttered toast or swirled into a bowl of ramen. The white, on the other hand, is just firm enough to hold everything together, providing a textural counterpoint to the silky yolk. This combination of contrasting textures is exactly why the soft-boiled egg is often the star of breakfast tables, brunch spreads, and even some dinner dishes. It's a testament to the culinary magic that can happen when you apply heat to an egg for just the right amount of time. Soft-boiled eggs, a delicate balance of runny yolk and firm white. Now, onto our second contender, the hard-boiled egg. The hard-boiled egg is an emblem of culinary simplicity, yet it packs a punch in terms of versatility and practicality. The secret to its distinct character lies in its longer cooking time. Unlike its soft-boiled counterpart, the hard-boiled egg is left to simmer for about 9 to 12 minutes, resulting in a firm, fully set yolk and white. The texture of a hard-boiled egg is one of its defining features. The white becomes solid and bouncy, while the yolk transforms into a crumbly yet creamy delight. This combination makes for a satisfying, hearty bite every time. What sets the hard-boiled egg apart is its fully cooked nature, making it a practical choice for many. It's a staple in salads, a protein-packed snack, and a go-to sandwich filling. It's convenient, easily portable, and not to mention a nutritious powerhouse. Hard-boiled eggs, fully cooked and ready to go. Now that we know our contenders, it's time for a head-to-head comparison. Let's start with cooking time. Soft-boiled eggs usually take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook, depending on how runny you like your yolk. On the other hand, hard-boiled eggs take around 9 to 12 minutes, so if you're in a rush, a soft-boiled egg might be your best bet. Next up, texture. Soft-boiled eggs have a creamy, unctuous yolk and a fully set white. This contrasts with the hard-boiled egg's firmer, crumbly yolk and rubbery white. It's a matter of personal preference, really. If you like a more indulgent mouthfeel, go for soft-boiled. But if you prefer something that bites back, hard-boiled is the way to go. Now, on to convenience. Hard-boiled eggs are a bit more portable and less messy, making them a popular choice for packed lunches or on-the-go snacks. Soft-boiled eggs, while a little more delicate, bring a touch of sophistication to your breakfast table. Taste-wise, both eggs are similar, but the soft-boiled egg's runnier yolk can provide a richer flavor experience. Finally, versatility. Hard-boiled eggs are a classic in salads, sandwiches, and many other dishes. Soft-boiled eggs, however, shine in soups, ramen, and even atop a fancy avocado toast. As you can see, both have their unique strengths and weaknesses. So, which type of egg comes out on top? That's the question we've been cracking open in this discussion. We've peeled back the layers of both soft-boiled and hard-boiled eggs, revealing what makes each of them special. In one corner, we have the soft-boiled egg, with its silky, runny yolk and delicate flavor. And in the other, the hard-boiled egg, known for its firm, creamy yolk and robust taste. We've looked into the nutritional aspects, the cooking methods, and even the historical significance of these two excellent contenders. But, as we've seen, the choice between a soft-boiled and a hard-boiled egg often comes down to personal preference. Some favor the luxurious texture of a soft-boiled egg, while others enjoy the hearty satisfaction of a hard-boiled one. In the end, whether you prefer a soft-boiled or a hard-boiled egg, remember, it's all about enjoying your food your way. And there you have it, folks. The great egg debate has been cracked wide open. We've boiled down the differences and similarities between soft-boiled and hard-boiled eggs, and the verdict? It's all about personal preference. Some of you may have already made a choice and are now even more confident in your egg selection skills, while others might be inspired to try something new. Whether you're a soft-boiled sophisticate or a hard-boiled hero, There's no right or wrong choice here, just delicious, nutritious eggs, perfect for any meal of the day. Now, we want to hear from you. Which side of the egg debate are you on? Are you team soft-boiled or team hard-boiled? Let us know in the comments section. Your input might just inspire our next egg-sighting exploration. If you've enjoyed this exceptional journey, don't just keep it to yourself. Share this video with your friends and family, and let's get everyone in on the egg debate. And remember, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Your support helps us keep the content coming and the debates rolling. Until next time, keep enjoying your eggs your way. And remember, no matter how you like your eggs, they're all excellent in their own way. Thanks for watching.